Planning to buy your dream. p.A.o Money Channel. Lots of people are dreaming about that little cottage with a white picket fence, or that modern apartment with a killer view, or that fixer-upper in the country, or the dreams are endless, but the idea is all the same. Owning your own home is a major milestone in life. Many people feel like they can't ever reach the day they move into their own home, but it is possible for anyone. All it takes is a lot of hard work. Owning your own home is more than just the dream. There is a reality to it also. You have to consider the many responsibilities that come with it. Don't jump into buying a home before you are ready. Make sure that all of your bases are covered first. Here are 5 things you must do before you buy a home. Create good credit. This doesn't just prepare you for buying a home, but also for all of your life. You should start really concentrating on your credit long before you ever plan to purchase a house. Often, you may need at least a year to get to where you need to be. It could be longer if you have bad credit. The main things that will help your credit score is paying your bills on time and using your credit wisely. This often means using it very sparingly. A poor credit rating will result in you being turned down or having to accept less beneficial terms, higher interest, and less money. Save, save, save. The biggest advantage you can give yourself is as much of a down payment as possible. This shows lenders that you are putting a serious investment into your home. You should also recognize that you will have additional expenses in owning a home. A savings plan can help you to handle any hidden costs or unexpected expenses. Make a budget. If you don't already have a budget, you need one. Look at all of your expenses and decide how much you can afford for your new house. Don't just include your mortgage payment, think about your insurance and taxes also. If you are moving further from work, include the difference in commuting expenses. You want a realistic budget. It will tell you how much you can afford. Don't forget that you will have utility costs and hookup fees, some maintenance, closing costs and moving costs. These are extra expenses that are easy to overlook. Get help. Ask family members or friends what it is like to buy a home. They can be a great source of information. Everyone has a good story about what can go wrong. You can also ask for recommendations for lenders and realtors. Become emotionally prepared. Finances aren't the only thing that will stress you out. Emotions run high when buying a home. Be prepared and plan ahead. This is the best way to make the experience positive. Don't set your expectations too high. If you are well prepared and ready to adapt to any possible changes, you will be able to buy a home and enjoy the process. Thanks for like, subscribe and share. p.A.o Money Channel.